this is the Tesla Model 3, and lots of people ask if there is the fuse that controls heated seats. Well, no, there is no fuse that controls heated seats, and actually Tesla Model 3 doesn't have any traditional fuses. So what can happen? This thing is controlled by the control modules. So you may try, if it doesn't work, if your heated seat doesn't work, you may try reset. The 2-button reset will not work in this case because it only works for the infotainment screen. You'll need to go to the controls, then go to safety, then scroll down to power off button, power off, and confirm. You confirm and the screen goes black, and you need to wait for about 2-3 minutes. Just sit in your car, don't open the doors, don't do anything, don't press the pedals, and you just wait till it resets, and then after about 3 minutes you press the brake and the screen goes does something like that. And if it starts working after that, you're lucky. Also, if the heated seats stopped working suddenly, don't panic. You need to wait for about 90 minutes because it has e-fuses, so-called electronic fuses. They may be installed in the control modules, in the circuit boards, they may be fusible links, no one knows. It's like a very, very complicated system. Anyway, the fuses can reset themselves. So after 1 hour, after 1.5 hours, it may start working. This is how the fuses work in the Tesla Model 3 for everything, actually. But if this doesn't work, the problem is either with the mat, heating mat here inside the seat, or with the connectors under the seat. And this is not actually a DIY thing. You can look at the connectors, but if you don't have proper tools, proper knowledge, you will probably not find anything valuable. So Tesla dealership appointment is probably the best way to go in this situation. I wouldn't say a heated seat problem is common, but if the seat was damaged, if you put something very heavy on the seat, some box with something very heavy, it may actually damage the heating mat. This is not a fuse. This is certainly not a fuse problem.